question is: a SysOps administrator has an AWS CloudFormation template of the company's existing infrastructure in SOA-CO2. The administrator attempts to use the template TOLA unchanged a new stack in EUWest1, but the stack only partially deploys, receives an error message, and then rolls back. Why would this template fail to deploy? Select 2. A. The template referenced an IAM user that is not available in EUWest1. B. The template referenced an Amazon machine image, AMI, that is not available in EUWest1. C. The template did not have the proper level of permissions to deploy the resources. D. The template requested services that do not exist in EUWest1. CloudFormation templates can be used only to update existing services. Correct answer is B and D. Next question is: a development team recently deployed a new version of a web application to production. After the release, penetration testing revealed a cross-site scripting vulnerability that could expose user data. Which AWS service will mitigate this issue? A. AWS Shield Standard. B. AWS WAF. C. Elastic Load Balancing. D. Amazon Cognito. Correct answer is A. Next question is: a company is using an Amazon DynamoDB table for DAT. A SysOps administrator must configure replication of the table to another AWS region for disaster recovery. What should the SysOps administrator do to meet this requirement? A. Enable DynamoDB Accelerator, DAX. B. Enable DynamoDB Streams, and add a Global Secondary Index, GSI. C. Enable DynamoDB Streams, and add a global table region. D. Enable point-in-time recovery. Correct answer is C. Next question is: a company hosts a portal on Amazon EC2 instances. The web portal uses an Elastic Load Balancer, ELB, and Amazon Route 53 for its public DNS service. The ELB and the EC2 instances are deployed by a single AWS CloudFormation stack in the East-1 region. The web portal must be highly available across multiple regions. Which configuration will meet these requirements? A. Deploy a copy of stack in the SOA-CO2 region. Create a single start of authority, SOA, record in Route 53 that includes the IP address from each ELB. Configure the SOA record with health checks. Use the ELB in East-1 as the primary record and the ELB in SOA-CO2 as the secondary record. B. Deploy a copy of stack in the SOA-CO2 region. Create an additional record in Route 53 that includes the ELB in SOA-CO2 as an alias target. Configure the A records with a failover routing policy and health checks. Use the ELB in East-1 as the primary record and the ELB in SOA-CO2 as the secondary record. C. Deploy a new group of EC2 instances in the SOA-CO2 region. Associate the new EC2 instances with the existing ELB, and configure load balancer health checks on all EC2 instances. Configure the ELB to update Route 53 when EC2 instances in SOA-CO2 fail health checks. D. Deploy a new group of EC2 instances in the SOA-CO2 region. Configure EC2 health checks on all EC2 instances in each region. Configure a peering connection between the VPCs. Use the VPC in US East 1 as the primary record and the VPC in US West 2 as the secondary record. Correct answer is B. Next question is: a SysOps administrator must set up notifications for whenever combined billing exceeds a certain threshold for all AWS accounts within a company. The administrator has set up AWS organizations and enabled consolidated billing. Which additional steps must the administrator perform to set up the billing alerts? A. In their account, enable billing alerts in the Billing and Cost Management console. Publish an Amazon SNS message when the billing alert triggers. B. In each account, enable billing alerts in the Billing and Cost Management console. Set up a billing alarm in Amazon CloudWatch. Publish an SNS message when the alarm triggers. C. In the payer account, enable billing alerts in the Billing and Cost Management console. Set up a billing alarm in the Billing and Cost Management console to publish an SNS message when the alarm triggers. D. In their account, enable billing alerts in the Billing and Cost Management console. Set up a billing alarm in Amazon CloudWatch. Publish an SNS message when the alarm triggers. Correct answer is D. Next question is: a company has multiple AWS site-to-site VPN connections between a VPC and its branch offices. The company manages an Amazon Elasticsearch service, Amazon ES, domain that is configured with public access. The Amazon ES domain has an open domain access policy. A SysOps administrator needs to ensure that Amazon ES can be accessed only from the branch offices while preserving existing data. Which solution will meet these requirements? A. Configure an identity-based access policy in Amazon ES. Add an allow statement to the policy that includes the Amazon resource name, ARN, for each branch office VPN connection. B. Configure an IP-based domain access policy in Amazon ES. Add an allow statement to the policy that includes the private IP CIDR blocks from each branch office network. C. Deploy a new Amazon ES domain in private subnets in a VPC, and import a snapshot from the old domain. Create a security group that allows inbound traffic from the branch office CIDR blocks. D. Reconfigure the Amazon ES domain in private subnets in a VPC. Create a security group that allows inbound traffic from the branch office CIDR blocks. Correct answer is B.